Hi, Mr. Bernardo. This is Lua, and this is Lua and Monica's project for math analysis or pre-calculus. We did a project on constructing two open box prototypes. Our objective was to construct two open box prototypes from a cardboard piece of paper around 8.5 by 11 inches. This one has holes in it, but it is about this size, and we cut it down to make it 8.5 by 11 inches. Our objective was to use that cardboard box to make it an open box prototype that was 58.5 cubic inches in volume. So the first thing we needed to do was find an equation for these box prototypes. And we came up with volume equals length times width times height. We started with the basics. So from there, we wanted to substitute each letter with the number that it corresponds with. So we substituted volume with 58.5, which is what we're given, which is what we're trying to achieve. And after that, we substituted length with 11 inches, but because we know that we're cutting out squares from each corner, we subtracted it by 2x because you're cutting from both one end of the 11 inches as well as the other. For width, we did the same thing. We did 8.5 and we subtracted 2x because you're subtracting again from both one side and the other side. And for height, height would be x because that is what we're cutting out. So our final equation that we came up with to find something that equals 58.5 cubic inches was 58.5 equals parentheses 11 minus 2x close parentheses open parentheses 8.5 minus 2x parentheses x. That was our equation. After that, we wanted to plug it into the calculator, but because you can't put 58.5 as your y, we subtracted 58.5 from both sides. After we subtracted 58.5 from both sides, we had 11 minus 2x in parentheses times 8.5 minus 2x in parentheses times x in parentheses minus 58.5 equals volume, or y. We plugged that into our calculators, and we found the x-intercepts. There were 3 x-intercepts, but there were only 2 that were possible, because the third one, if you wanted to cut out a square from that, you wouldn't be able to, because the paper would have to be longer than 11 inches. So then after we did this, and we found the x-intercepts, we found that the 2 intercepts that worked were 1 and 2.25, which means that the squares that we would cut out from each corner of every 8.5 by 11 inch cardboard prototype would be 1 by 1 inch and 2.25 inches. After that, we constructed our box prototypes using cardboard. As you can see, this is the 1 inch prototype, 1 inch, and this is 2.25. That is how we made our open box prototypes. I hope that this video was informational. Thank you for grading our project. Bye!